Okay, we're gonna unbox this Lanky box toy. Cut this open. This Lanky box toy will make this so cool.
I think you open from down here.
Yes. Wow. So now we got the box open. Now it's time to grab one bag.
Look, you rip it right here.
Oh yeah, rip it.
See that?
Oh yeah. Now I got oh this guy.
The can.
The can was stinky.
Alright, let's see what's next.
More. Oh yeah, this is just paper.
No, that's something too.
That's something? What is this? What is this? Okay. This is big. I got the secret character. It's Ghosty! Okay. Let's get the other one. This might be boxy. Oh, yeah. I got Ghosty. And I got this. What am I doing this is? What is it? It is Rocky. Mash him! It's a... Wow! We're still gonna open it, and this is so cool. I like this. I like this. I like this thing. I like this thing a lot. And it's Rocky again. Yeah, they're both the same. And we gotta pop it. And it's a Pop-It. Wow, it's just a Pop-It. I mean, I ate it, Pop-It. Okay, this one. It's so jiggy. So I got eaten. It's just eaten. Oh, there's nothing to get it. I have a picture of Lanky box. Huh.
Alright, put your box on.
Okay. One of these is way bigger. Like nothing. Wow.